Japanese, yes, nowadays they want to marry, girls wants to marry foreign boys, and boys also wants to marry foreign girls. You have that one more thing, akai ito.
Yes, 赤い糸。ここでつながってる人と結婚する、結ばれるっていうふうに言われてますね。
And kekkon shiki is again difficult in India. In Japan it is very simple. It is only one day.
それよりは早く結婚してくれって言われます。
There is only one thing what they want, that marry fast, as early as possible. These days, actually, Japanese boys are also not getting good girls. In villages, they are actually in problem. Namaste.
Hello, this is Miho.
And this is Danderi.
Let's do
Namaste.
はい、今日もやってまいりました。はい、Hello, Danderi. You look so smart in necktie.
Yes, I am in necktie. Why? Do you want to marry some foreigner?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So today, yes.
I would like to marry. Yeah.
You would like to marry some international person, global?
Yeah, global. Yes.
Japanese, yes. Nowadays, they want to marry, girls wants to marry foreign boys, and boys also wants to marry foreign girls. So it is happening. Today, we would like to see what is the marriage system in Japan. I would like to talk about that.
そう、ぜひ知っていただいて。
What?
Please come ですね。
Please come to Japan to marry.
はい。
Namaste. I heard that Hakuba something.
白馬の王子様のことですか？
白馬の王子様のことわかりますね。
おじさまじゃない。おじいさまでもない。王子様。
王子様。
そうそうそう。
Yes. They say in their Japanese language there is a wording that Hakuba no oji-sama.
No.
Not
王子様。
Oji-sama. Oji-sama means prince, and Oji-san means aged people. So that he will come on horse, white horse. So it is again in something similar to India. In India.
I don't know.
In India, when there is a marriage, Omuko-san, bridegroom, is come on a horse, white horse, in a parade with music. Yes, ongakudan, and everybody is dancing. So many people dancing,
あれ
and
なんだっけ？ボリウッド？
Bollywood dance is
Bollywood
also
style?
there. Yes, Bollywood dance. In movies also you will find this. They come on white horse to bride house or some maybe hotel or some place, and then the marriage starts. You have that one more thing, akai ito.
Yes, 赤い糸。ここでつながってる人と結婚する、結ばれるっていうふうに言われてますね。
赤い糸に結ばれてると言われてますね。They have this saying that every girl and every boy is tied with red thread to his partner or her partner, which is very similar to India also, that we have selected, we have some partner somewhere, but it is connected to us, and that is also red color thread, which is very much Hindu color, Indian color. And we have this tying system, so during this marriage ceremony. So it is very similar. Here Asian thought is very similar about this white horse and red thread is similar to India. But then again we are different in your marriage ceremony. How do you have your marriage ceremony? Sitting arrangements, kame suru.
席のことかな、座席表が決まってるってやつ。
So how it is? 見ましたことがありますか？席結婚式の場合は。
はい、ありますね。最近は鶴とか亀じゃなくてナンバー123とかもあるし、寿とかおめでたい言葉で
書いてますね。
書いてたりもしますね。でも決まってる席が。
決まってる。そこですよ、違いは。
親戚の人、中学校のお友達とか会社の人とか。
And 来る人たちのナンバーも決まってるね。
そう決まってますね。
それは1週間じゃなくて1ヶ月前にみんな。
もうみんなそれがすごい大変だって。
大変ですね。
誰をこう呼んで、テーブルのバランスもあるでしょ。
はい。
そう。
So that is the big difference of Indian marriage and Japan marriage. Japanese very systematic. There is a special school. There is a special means these program organizers, event companies who organize these marriage events. They call you and then they will tell you that how is it, that is all rehearsals one day before or 2 days before, that how you are going to perform during that time. So it is all looks very nice. And then they have Buddhist marriage ceremony also. Typical Buddhist ceremony with that Japanese girl in white dress. I will show you the photographs also. So this is Japanese style marriage is also at temples or Shinto is a jinja, or anywhere they will perform it. It is also beautiful. You will find all these couples at a sightseeing spot whenever you are in Japan. When you come to Japan, you will find Japanese ceremony. If the some is there, then you will find the couple at the spot. In Hiroshima or in some temple, you will find them. Please take photograph with them and meet them and greet them. No?
Come and see Japanese couple.
Thank you. Yes, come and see Japanese couples, and I think you will like that. You can take photographs with them, but you cannot go and take inside of their marriage ceremony place. And Kekkon Shiki is again difficult in India. In Japan, it is very simple. It is only one day. You have 1日だけでしょ、結婚式。
はい、式があって、披露宴があって、で二次会とかがあって、それも全部1日 one day.
Within one day, they finish their marriage ceremony. First is shiki. Shiki is also again two types. Mostly Japanese married in Christian style, in chapel, kyokai, with a pastor, and they have this dress. They like it. They want to do with a wedding dress, Western style, white, and suit. They marry like that. Most of the marriages are done in like that. After that, they have hiroen, the party, which is I told you that they have a fixed seats and sitting there about 80 to 100 people. And then they have nijikai, second, where only friends, only close friends will be there, mostly young people. They will go for drinks and dance and songs. That is nijikai. So these three things, they do it in one day. But in India, it is different. We have almost 1 week for the marriage.
1 week?
Yes. They have one day before, they have mehndi, they put color on their hands. もう本当に長いですよ。
長いですね。
インドの場合は3日間から4日間は普通です。結婚式は。結婚式 is also, they choose the day. In Japan also you choose day by hoshi. How you choose it?
デイですね。大安とか、ああいう日取りで決める人が多いと思います。
それじゃないと、まあ大体結婚式はその日ですね。In Japan also, like in India, we have this horoscope and this stars. They check, and then the people, the pandit will say this date and this time also. 結婚式の time also is very important. So it has to be according to that. Japan also, they have Taiyan or Tomobiki of the day for marriages. They have to choose that. Only those days they will choose for the marriage ceremony. So that it is also similar in India. But in India we have time also, and it is mostly midnight, after midnight. And all marriages becomes together during maybe 10 days or 15 days because of this horoscope. They check with this horoscope, and this is the time for your marriage. So every hall is booked. During that time, you don't find the place to marriage. So this is a problem in India because mostly Hindu. 80% of India is Hindu. So most of the marriage dates and marriage ceremonies are at the same time. In one day, you will find, if you come to India, and if you are there on that day, you will find many marriages in every hotel. So Japanese, and you can go inside.
私も
Yes.
行けるの
Yeah, mostly when they go to the hotel, there is some marriage ceremonies going on. Guests all go inside, and they will always welcome. Please come, take photo. Not in Japan, no?
ね
In Japan, it is not possible that if a marriage ceremony is going on, anyone else uninvited go and join that. Because everything is marked, everything is decided, the place is decided, your sitting place is decided. So it is totally different, very much organized, very much just time wise. What time it will start like that, and then the couple will move around with candle, rosoku,
candle service, ne?
candle service. It's also fixed that they will go to each table and they will just say greetings with each table and then they move. So it is all pre-planned, pre-decided that how to do it, and they have a rehearsal for that. Namaste. Japanese marriage is always nowadays Japanese marriage is omiai kekkon. ないね。今最近はお見合い結婚は少ない。
少なくなってきてるかもしれない。昔に比べたら、昔はもうほとんどがお見合い結婚だから。
In 40s, it was 70%. Now it is about 6% only in Japan. Omiai means arranged marriage. In India, it is different. We have more arranged marriage, and maybe less than 10% is love marriage. In Japan, it is mostly love marriage. So that is also a big difference of Japan, that they have love marriage, but they still have same system. You always need, at the time of ceremony, you need nakod. Nakod-san, which is called go-between. In India, we say bicholia, the person who connects them. So that is also important even these days also. In the ceremony also, they have a special person called nakod. Bicholia or go-between is important. They have to have consent from their family, but it is not necessary, as I told you, that for the certificate, if anyone above 20 years of age can sign as a witness. They can be the friend, they can be parent, or they can be from their company, the boss or somebody. So it is very easy for them to marriage. Means parents don't have any say. 親はもうあまり何も言えなくなったですね。結婚に対しては。
そうかもしれないですね。
そうですね。
それよりは早く結婚してくれって言われます。
There is only one thing what they want, that marry fast, as early as possible. Please get married. They request their children to get married fast. Same in India also. In India also same. Every parent say to their children, get married, get married. They are waiting for that because they have to celebrate. They want to get rid as soon as possible. So it is there, and their ceremony is all fixed. Means how many people will be coming. It is very less. Maybe 100. Maximum 何人ぐらい来ますか
？100は来ないと思いますね。大きくても80ぐらいじゃないかな今は。
Even if more, maximum they say 80 to 100. So compared to India, there's nothing. In India, we don't count. Everybody is welcome. And anybody can come. Yes, everybody. Almost nobody says no to if they come. But in Japan, you cannot come because the seats are fixed. Sitting arrangements are fixed. It was done 1 month before, that who is sitting next to whom, where the friends will be sitting, where the parents will be sitting, all numbers given. It will be on the seat. Your name will be there, and then that seats also previously used to have suru. Suru means crane or kame, tortoise. Good things, always good things were supposed to be put there. And now it is numbers, table number 1 or 2. But it is also fixed. They always give a fixed amount as a present, as a gift. So it is also fixed. About 50,000 yen or 40,000 yen or 100,000 yen. Something like this. It is fixed. They give it. And this couple also, they give return gift. It is always ready at the just back of your seat on every table. It is all fixed. I have attended maybe 5 or 6 marriages in Japan, almost similar. Everything is same. Somebody will come and give one lecture. They will show some movie of their 子供たちの時の時代の何かビデオを見せるんですね。どこで出会ったかそれビデオを見せるですね。 It is almost same, average same, that where they, how was their childhood, boys and girls, how they met, and what is the stage now. So this is almost identical, every marriage. But it is different in India. They have their own system. It is different than states. Some places girls go to the boy's house in South India. So it is totally different. Indian marriage is very interesting. インドの見たことありますか？結婚式、テレビとかそれでも。
テレビとかあとインスタとかで見たことあります。インスタグラムに。
It is very famous, and nowadays Indian marriages they are performing in other countries. Like they book the whole hotel. They spend a lot of money, which is wrong. The government is saying no, but people, for them, marriage ceremony is very important. So that is going on, and these things are there, which is different than Japan. So when you come to India, see that. Namaste. Of course, marriage is very important. They have to have children. They are getting very less children because of this, because age is going up. They want to have only one child or maybe two children, like that. So age is this population is going down in Japan. Many reasons, and because of these things, that it is changing. Marriage system, marriage itself is changing in Japan. And that is why the age is also different. And how is the marriage ceremony? Have you been to some marriage ceremony? 結婚式に。
あれかな、結納金とかのこと？
結婚式？結納金ももちろん。Yeah, that is Yuino-kin is the word for dowry. In India, we know that it was a very, very difficult thing. But we have a rule now. We have a rule that dowry you cannot ask. In Japan also it was there. It is still there, but it is by their own from their own side. Every parent wants to give something to their daughter as a gift, and they have this system in many in interior or villages and all that, and in big cities also. Nagoya is famous, ne? Nagoya wa ichiban. Yes. In Nagoya city, it is very famous. They have a special truck, specially built for this yuino, that dowry. They first put in their house one day before or 2 days before, and they show it to the public that what we are going to do, we're going to give to our daughter. It is a system. Every neighbors, they will come and see that what things they are giving, and then they will comment, yeah, this is good, like this. So that is just like India. India also, we put the dowries things and show it to the public also. Everybody comes and their relatives give their things. So it is same dowry system. But in India, it was very dangerous. Now there is a rule that they cannot do this dowry. Namaste. Previously, there was a reason to, they had some choice for marriage. Like what you used to say to select a boy is high income, high salary, and height, sei no takai. If he is good height and good salary, and what else was there?
Good, high, なんだっけ? 学校だと思う。
High education.
Education.
Qualification, right? Education and height, this thing. They used to call it 3H. Now they have 3C, which is financially comfortable. They should have some money, but financially it should be all right. And then communicative. Communicative means Japanese normally they never used to talk with each other, husband, wife, and never says that I love you, these things. So the girls and boys, they want that they should be communicative with each other. That type of boy they want. And then one more is cooperative. Japanese boys, they do not want to do any household work. They don't help in sentaku, soji. They don't help. So girls want that husband should help, cooperative, and work together, because they are all working together. So their requirement is changed to 3C: cooperative, communicative, and financially
なんだっけ
capable, no? Yes. So it is changing. These days, actually, Japanese boys are also not getting good girls. In villages, they are actually in problem. Japanese girls, they don't want to marry and go to villages. So they want to have girls for villages, for farmers and all those people. They are getting from other countries. Like they get from China, they marry from Chinese girls, they marry Korean girls, they marry even from Taiwan, these countries, because very similar culture, so they marry. Boys marry foreign girls. So, kokusai
結婚
結婚、流行ってますね。日本はどうですか、国際結婚は。
そうですね、私の友達でも結構何人かいます。
何人かいま
そし
すか。
て日本に住んでる人もいるんですけど、やっぱり海外にその後引っ越しちゃう子も多くいます。
Yes, so Japanese, they are now having international marriage. International marriages are means accepted thing. Girls marrying foreign boys and boys marrying foreign girls. Namaste.
はい、今日はね、ダンデリさんがやっぱりいろんな結婚式に行かれてるので、外国人目線で見ているので、私も気がつかない発見がたくさんありました。なので今日の YouTube は何度も私も見させていただいて、また結婚に対する準備をしっかりしていきたいと思います。なので皆さん Please come and marry in Japan.
Marry in Japan or see the couple also.
はい。If you like our program today, please push good button.
Yes button.
See you again.
See you. Namaste. どうですか、国際結婚は。
そうですね、私の友達でも結構何人かいます。
何人かいま
そし
すか。
て日本に住んでる人もいるんですけど、やっぱり海外にその後引っ越しちゃう子も多くいます。
Namaste.